Mom. I'm looking for a home with a lot of space and a great neighborhood in Freeport.
I have the perfect one. Let's check it out. It's in Hammock Bay. Check out this amazing custom-built island, farmer's sink, new appliances, and the beautiful carpet ceilings.
And check out this beautiful screened-in porch that backs up to a nature preserve.
Call us today to schedule your private showing. Until the next time, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss und goodbye.